All right, I want you to write a program that does the following thing. And I'm not going to show you the code because I want you to think about it. I want you to ask the user, how old are you? And I want you to write some different responses based on what they say. So if they have a high age, like 95, I want you to give one response. I put, you must be very wise. If they have kind of a middle adult age, what do you do for a living? If they have like a low, not there, here. If they have a low age, are you still in school? And if they have a very low age, and again, what the response is, let's say 6, you have a lot to learn. What the response is up to you, and where the age breaks are up to you. What you say is going to be up to you, but you want to use if, ls, elif. I have 2 elif statements and 1 if, 2 elif, and 1 else statement. So I have 4 things, 4 different divisions for this conditional. And then I want you to save that and send it to me.